We're out here strolling in the woods over by Belmont. This is what I like about this place. No worries. Dogs can just enjoy the woods. We have a storm brewing. It is monsoon season, but if you look back, way back through there, honey's sitting right there. So we're not far from camp. I just felt a raindrop, guys. We're gonna have to start working our way back. But they like being out here roaming in the woods freely. You can see there's nobody around. There is a schoolie somewhere up that way. He's way over there and across the road anyway. But nothing like a little stroll. We see elk over here a lot. I'm gonna keep a lookout for that too. We had about, I don't know, there was more than 5 after we counted, but we had, at first we thought there was 5. Hey, Moosey. The moose. But we had a bunch of pronghorn go strolling behind the camp last night. Thunder. We'll be turning around here shortly anyway. We were just kind of curious what was on this side. There's no campsites over here. What's up, Jep? There's that schoolie right there. Straight through there. The dogs love it out here. Very, very peaceful. Lulu. They are pretty good about staying right by us. Of course, there's really nothing out here to distract them. That is until wildlife comes along. But Lulu and Moose have their training collars on. Vibrate them and they turn around and come right back. Lulu, come here. Jasper, he usually listens. Very peaceful out here. Oh, hey, maybe we ain't gonna get no rain. Might just miss us, guys. It is building though. Hey, there's a road right over there. I just seen a car on it. Oh, maybe it's the road that goes in front of us. It is. Okay, never mind. There's honey straight ahead. Big grassy area over there. Moose, what are you doing? Moose is, it's an evergreen. They're everywhere. Somewhere over here there's a water tank, too, for the wildlife. Haven't seen it yet. Lulubelle, over here. Come on. Come on, Moose. Jasper. Let's go over here. I think there's a rock formation over here. Come on. Moose. Come on, Moose. Over here, Moose. All right, Lulu. Let's go this way, guys. Let's go look at these rocks. Another big open grassy area out there, it looks like. And, of course, over there where the dogs are coming from. There's that schoolie. Right about where that car is right now. I seen some rocks over here, guys. Go find them. The lighter pine trees out here, there's some out there, but the golder looking ones, not these dark ones, but those right there, those are ponderosa pines. Let's see what's in these rocks, Jasper. Moose, come on. With all this rain we're getting, the flowers are just now starting to pop. Some rocks. Always keep a lookout for snakes. Man, timber rattlesnakes are timber rattlers. They're kind of hard to see in these rocks. Big boulder out there, and there's the schoolie. We must be running right along with the road. Yeah, there goes a person on a bicycle, and right in front of Honey. And evidence of a fire back here, but well, yeah, right there on that tree. These trees ain't really burnt too bad up the bark, so maybe it's been a while. Well, you guys want to turn around? We made it to the rocks. But we're deep in the woods. But it is starting to drizzle. So I'm going to shut this down. We made it to our destination, the rocks. And start moseying our way back to Honey, which is just right through there. We're probably 2 football fields away from Honey. And give Moose some privacy. He's over there leaving a deposit in the woods. But the question remains answered, and I think we just answered it. Does a moose poop in the woods? You answered that question, Moose. All right, Lulu, that's far enough for you. Time to head back. Hope you all enjoyed that little hike, but I'm going to turn this off. and work our way back because it is starting to rain. So have a good one. Thanks for watching.
I believe we have a pronghorn close to camp here. I'm being quiet. I'm standing behind a tree. Some key bark. I'm getting a look over here. Now, he says I'm enjoying my meal. Or she. Beautiful creature. Video's not doing it justice. That thing is beautiful. Yeah, looks like gonna go back in the woods there.